Hello YouTube family, thank you for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to show you guys what I am taking over to the little gift shop I am in. I have made a whole lot of different things here, and I like the store because they allow me to pretty much bring anything I can create. So just wanted to show you guys what I am taking over there. You guys have probably seen these in the other videos, but these are my little gifts in a cup. So they're just little earrings with a little shell trinket dish. And I have about 7 of these, and they're individually priced. And I have decoupaged a napkin over a tray, the Ferrero Rocher chocolate, the tray that comes in. So I decoupaged that with a piece of napkin, and it's not perfect, but I think it works okay. So that's what's going. I have this jewelry display full of goodies here. I have a couple necklaces that has the ribbon ties. I do have videos on how to make these as well. I pretty much have videos on all the things I am showing except for these things right here, and we'll talk about this in a little bit, but these are just all the bracelets and a couple necklaces that I'm taking over there, and they're all individually priced. And down here are the trinket dishes individually wrapped with like cellophane bags. And then, so these guys here, I don't have a video on, but it was just some little things that I did. These are notepads, so I have 3 of these. And then I have little sticky notes that I wrapped with paper, printed paper, and they are very, very cute. And I feel like these will be like a really good quick little pick-me-ups because they're very inexpensive. Like one is $2. If you buy 2, it's $3. So that's the deal I have going on. But it's a nice way to refresh your office with some, spring, summer decor, which is also usable. So I thought these were a really good idea. Hopefully they'll sell. We will know next time when we visit the place. And if I get some time, I will update you on how my inventory is doing over there as well. The items that are already there are the crocheted mugrugs, the earrings, the reusable mini envelopes, the crocheted dishcloths, washcloths, and so these are the new things that we brought in. I tried to have a nice clear info for the gift cups. Hopefully that helps. And lastly, I have the jewelry stand with all the pretty jewelries, and I have one more jewelry stand that sits right next to the register.